Middle schoolers. This is Miss Swanson, and I will be hosting our last virtual assembly before our end of the year cup celebration. Our end of the year cup celebration will be taking place on Tuesday, June 16th, during our scheduled Flex Advisory. We will join together with our advisories to watch the cup ceremony together and find out who the 2020 winner will be. This year's winner will get their house name engraved on the famous ASM Middle School House Cup, along with a gift from our neighbors at Taste of America. Each student that is in the winning house will receive a voucher for €3 to use at Taste of America for a candy bar, a soda, or a snack of your choice. So who's it going to be? Will it be Fierce Fuego, Awesome Agua, Tremendous Tierra, or Valiant Viento? Here are the house challenge points from last week. All houses participated in last week's Eggstronaut Challenge. Fuego took the lead with 2 successful space landings, earning a total of 70 points. Viento, Agua, and Tierra each had 1 participant per house that also had successful landings, earning their houses 35 points. However, Agua won an extra 10 points for having the most creative spacecraft, which brought them up to 2nd place with 45 points. Thank you to those students for participating. We also had a trivia question challenge. Those students and advisors that responded and posted their house name received an extra 5 points. All houses got on the board this week for the trivia. Tierra led the trivia challenge once again with 35 points. Agua and Fuego tied for 2nd with 25 points, and Viento coming in 3rd with 20 points. Great job, middle schoolers. It's that time of year when we begin to say goodbye to those who will be leaving. This shout out goes out to all of the students who are leaving ASM this year. We would like to wish the following students a safe trip to their next destination and good luck at their next school. We had an understanding at my old high school, and that was that the moment a student walks through the door, they become a part of the school and its memory forever. So Lancers, in addition to saying goodbye, I'd also like to leave you with this. Once a Lancer, always a Lancer.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you.
Does anyone else need a tissue? Because, geez, I know I do. Okay. Before we transition to our virtual jamboree, I would like to thank all of the students that participated in our virtual assemblies. Whether it was participating in the trivia questions, sending shout outs, or recording your challenges, your hard work paid off. I'd also like to remind all students about the importance of good sportsmanship as we end with our end of the year jamboree. Although these have been unusual circumstances, we need to keep in mind that we need to stay positive and support all houses, no matter the result. All right, guys, it is time for our end of the year jamboree. Just like every year, we are ending the school year with one last opportunity to earn points for our houses. This means more challenges, double the points, and a chance to swoop in to win the title. 2 of our Jamboree challenges were created by 7th grader Juan Lopez and are centered around lessons provided by the organization called Us versus Hate. Us versus Hate's philosophy states that we call for inclusion and opportunity for all types of people across our society. We reject any situation or action that treats some types of people as inherently more valuable than others. ASM and your middle school teachers couldn't agree more with this. Many ASM teachers, students, and families are especially wanting to speak out right now due to the racism and civil rights movement happening in the U.S. We condemn racism, and we celebrate all of our differences as a middle school, which is why we are including a challenge that promotes diversity and acceptance of all races, religions, and cultures in our middle school. We'd like to thank Juan for taking action and promoting this as one of our Jamboree challenges. Today, we are asking students to learn about each of your own identities while appreciating the identity of others. For the first Jamboree activity, we are asking students to take a photo of yourself and then adding a hashtag about something that is uniquely you or that makes you proud. There will be a Padlet on Google Classroom where you can post your photos along with your name and house. Each entry that is submitted to the Padlet will earn 25 points. And this virtual Jamboree activity will last until this Monday. For the second Jamboree activity, we are asking students to write a short story focusing on great traditions or cultural activities that your family celebrates and has passed down for generations. We are also including a Padlet where students can submit their stories and share with our ASM middle school community. Our hope is that this activity will connect you to your roots while learning more about your cultural heritage and unique family traditions. At the end of the week, actually until Monday, you have until Monday to complete this short story. Then Miss Backus and Juan Lopez will read each story to pick the winners. 100 points will be awarded to the first place story, 75 points for the second place story, and 50 points for the third place story. May the best writer win. Last but not least is our third activity, which includes a Kahoot. How much do you know about each grade level? Miss Backus and Miss G have created a fun Kahoot that focuses on activities and lessons learned this year in each grade level. The winners of each Kahoot will win 50 points for their house. Once again, guys, you have until Monday to complete this Kahoot. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to our virtual assemblies every Wednesday at 9 o'clock. And thank you for participating today and every week during virtual learning. We hope that you have enjoyed these announcements, and we look forward to seeing everyone together in their advisories during the cup ceremony on Tuesday. All right, guys, have a great day, and let the Jamboree begin!